Hello, my name is Sebastian Piñataro, and I'm from Country Link School in Costa Rica, and this is my submission for Hack to Two. So, when our teacher first approached us about this project, I had a bunch of ideas of what I could do. I could make a reusable water bottle, a pencil case, and then the idea of a water filter struck me. So, I started researching and looking for ideas for how to make water filter or without needing a bunch of complicated material. So, as you can see, the materials right here are not as hard to find. And thankfully, since some of the materials were kind of hard to find, there's this store locally or in Costa Rica that's called EPA, and it had most of the materials we needed, except for a water bottle and a tube, which I found at my house. Now, as you might have noticed, there are multiple layers of different materials in the water bottle. That is because each material or element has a different feature. For example, the rocks and coarse sand are both just a sediment to take care of all the big materials and the things you can't swallow. Then the charcoal does most of the work. It takes out all the little minerals and all that stuff and basically purifies the water. And then the fine sand at the bottom basically just takes out the finer materials. And the cloth is just as extra security measure. Okay, so how it works is, as you can see here, this is dirty water that you can't drink, obviously. This is the tube. It's more of a cover than anything for this. And the colors are the different layers, so sand, charcoal, coarse sand, and rocks. So see, it covers it, and it looks nicer. And this is pretty much the water filter. So, here we go. This is a transparent bowl, and the water goes up on top of here, as you can see. It's going down. Now as you can see very quickly, clear water starts coming down from the top. Now there are a little bit of materials down there, but that just requires another spin or another go. You just take that water and put it back. So as you can see very quickly, the bowl starts to fill. And this is clean water. You can drink this water. So after some time, obviously it's not instant. After some time, this water will start going down, and after some time, it will all be clear, and you can drink it. So if you're camping or lost, you can make this easily with materials you can find out there. And yeah, pretty much. So what you want to do is leave it out like this for some time. And I'm going to leave it here for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And when I come back, it's going to be completely filled. So, it's been some time, and the water is in this cup. It's mostly clear. We passed it to this glass because it's clear and you can let the bottle rest. So this is the bottle inside the tube. As you can see, it's still in there. So we're going to give it one last go, since we already saw how it works from the inside. Well, it's pretty tall. So what you want to do is you want to put the water from here up in here. Now it works exactly the same as before. And the funny thing is, charcoal is so light that the charcoal from here, if it somehow gets through to here, it'll pretty much float. So yeah, as you can see, the water's still floating. And yeah, so this was my submission for Hack the Tube for the MIT contest. And yeah, this is my tube.